Therefore, the export policy deserves to be examined on a war footing. In spite of the efforts of the present Finance Minister and the Commerce Minister, it is not going up. What we need is not a 10% or 20% increase in exports. What we need is a 5% increase in exports. Let us put all our industrialists together. Let us call a meeting. Let us tell them that this is the country's income. It is not a question of A, B, or C making profit, but the country must get the foreign exchange. What have we seen during the last 10 or 15 years? None of the large houses who get industrial licenses from the government was able to generate foreign exchange. It is our masons, our carpenters, and our craftsmen who have gone to the Middle East and to Southeast Asia, and who have earned the money and sent it to India. That is how this country has become rich. The ultimate strength of the country still lies in the small man. We have to make policies by which more foreign exchange can be earned. I will now come to the much talked about FERA. We hear of it only when some industrialist is arrested for a violation of Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Now, this Foreign Exchange Regulation Act needs a total change. There was a time when, due to ideological consideration, it was decided that foreign companies should not have more than 40% shareholding in the companies. Now, the companies which had 60% or 70% or 100% ownership floated their shares in the Indian market, and a lot of public money went into these companies which they sent abroad para. The country is poorer of foreign exchange to that extent, and the control of the company is still with them. So we have achieved nothing. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act has totally failed. As some members said, you come out with the news of making a haul of heroin or some other drugs. Every 15 days or so, you come out with the news that so many crores of illegal foreign exchange has been seized. Obviously, we are operating on an artificial exchange rate. Till the artificial exchange rates exist, the exchange racket will exist. No doubt, the enforcement machinery is there. We should give all encouragement to the enforcement machinery. The ultimate solution to foreign exchange, the ultimate solution to export lies elsewhere. It lies in the fiscal policies of the government. The government must have a relook at the policies. Stop.